Good morning everyone. We just came back from the first dive, sunrise dive in Liberty Wreck. It's something really special. I don't know, it's like a kind of... We actually fell into some meditative state of mind. It was really relaxing. There was no any current. We saw bumpheads really close. They were absolutely not afraid of us. We got really close and we spent around 10 minutes with them, and then we decided that it's okay guys, thank you very much, and we're going somewhere else. And then we met the guys, actually 2 girls, and that made me to think about how interesting creatures we are, because we saw the group of the big bumphead parrotfish, and when we approached the girls we saw there are small ones, and I gave the signal to one of these girls that they are big ones, but they like, I don't know, they didn't believe me or what happened, but they didn't want to go there and and see the bigger ones. And it reminds me that life situations, and sometimes we have something little and someone is offering, okay, just go there and get bigger one, I don't know, different job, better job, but we are like, we don't want to risk. We just living our lives, always complaining that our life is not the one we want to live, that we would like to have better work. Hey, come on, you have to change something. That's just reminded me this situation, really common situation. It's been happening with me as well. Of course, I'm not the exclusion. Yeah, but the dive was really cool. I really enjoyed. Inna really enjoyed. You can see it from the video how relaxed she was, comparing with the previous dives. Especially the diving for her was a challenge. Actually, she went through and she managed to do it. I'm really happy about her. So what are we gonna do now? We're gonna do second dive. We're gonna do Coral Garden. I hope there is no current which pushing us a little bit back. If there will be current, we will come out and we will change the location. We will just jump on the bikes and we will go a little bit up, and then we will like kind of will drift back. So that's all the plan.